welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Wantable unboxing. It is the April Theory style edit. I know it's not April anymore, but it's only the beginning of May, so like, it's okay. I'm going to apologize in advance. If you can hear, my husband is rebuilding our deck, our pool deck, and if you hear him hammering, I'm sorry. It has to be done. I have a few videos to film today too, so not ideal, but it's okay because it has to get done. We are going to open up our box with our trusty rusty screwdriver. Thank you, honey. If you haven't tried Wantable before and you would like to, there's a referral link down below. It would give me credit if you use it. I appreciate it if you do, but no pressure. But I do appreciate it. It helps support my channel, so helps me order more boxes, you know. All right, here we go. It was like a flat, thin box this time. Let me show you without, you know, showing my address. But it says like April Theory on it. So it's very flat and thin. I don't remember what the big deal is about April Theory, but they made it a big deal. I think it's like kind of like it's spring, it's a new season, it's, you know, getting that headspace kind of thing. But I'm sure they'll tell us all about it. Here's our bundle. Look at her. This side's a little nicer. I think it shows more. They send you back the mailer. They send you the mailer, so you can send back the things you don't want to keep. If you haven't, you know, tried Wantable before. And they send you a note, and it's always really generic, I found. I don't really communicate much with them about my wants and needs. I usually just kind of order their themed edits and see what they send me. Thanks for ordering our brand new April Theory style edit. We think you'll absolutely love this. Have you ever noticed that April is when life starts to really get really good again? This edit is all about embodying that good energy, starting with your wardrobe. Blah, blah, blah. Denim skirt. I'm not gonna read it all. I don't wanna give it away. Wantable, like I said, their notes are kind of, you know, whatever. But I was styled by Tennille, so thank you, Tennille. Take the next 5 days, try on your items. If you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off. Sorry, he was hammering again. All right, so first up, I do remember I requested this because I work at an eye doctor, and look at this bag. Isn't that cute? It's kind of shimmery. I'm so sorry if you can hear that. So yeah, I just thought it was a really nice canvas kind of tote bag with a thick rope there. You know, go to the farmers markets and things. Like, I think that'd be cute. So if all else fails, we have this. Oh, they sent me jewelry too. Just for luck necklace and horseshoe. I think I have this in gold. It says it's in silver, but I do think I already have this from like 3 years ago. Oh, I don't. It's different. It's very dainty. I don't really wear a lot of silver anymore. I mostly wear just gold. So I'm not gonna take it out, but it's cute. It's very dainty. Will get me back in focus. Kind of, okay. So I'm not gonna keep that, but again, if all else fails, it could be a gift for someone. So there's 2 of our items, so that means we only have 5 more. Dun dun. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's a dress. This is by Gigli, it says. We'll go over prices and names of things at the end. But the brand is Gigli. It has a modesty snap. It's kind of pretty pattern. It's almost like the pattern I kept from my Stitch Fix 2 Stitch Fixes ago. But it does have a ruffle at the bottom as well. So that's cute. Sorry, I'm like itchy. It's actually pretty warm out today. I do remember requesting this one on the stream, and it's sewn where like a modesty snap would be. But it's a cute little surplice top. I like the orange, I like the flowers. I thought it'd be cute for work. Oh, it has a pleat on the back too. So yeah, I liked that. Has roll tab sleeves, which I'm usually not a fan of, but I'm getting used to it. And then we have just a kind of boxy, it's like really boat neck. It might be a one shoulder top from 78 and Sunny. This one was from West Key, I believe. It only has West K on there, so I don't know. But I like this. I like that color. Very basic. And then we have a skirt. Are denim skirts in, you guys? Sorry, my hair, I don't know. I talked about this in my last video. My hair, I don't know what to do with it. Are denim skirts in? This is by Silver Jeans Co. And it's a denim skirt. And it has a slit up the front. I don't know. We'll try it on. And then we have some jeans by Bayes. B-A-Y-E-A-S. They have some distressing, just a little bit. Just a little bit. And I don't know what kind they are. Let's see. High-rise skinny jeans. They don't look super skinny, but they have a raw hem. All right, let's try things on. My husband's hammering away. It's not bad. It's not bad. And this is it's an off-the-shoulder top. So I have it off my shoulder. I have my emotional support cami on with it. Yeah, this is the top. I just kind of like rolled it up because I feel like with a denim skirt, you need to have your shirt tucked in. It's not bad. It's making my legs look really long, I think. But here's the top, not tucked in. Here's the length. It's pretty long. It goes to where my leg bend starts. What's a leg bend? No one knows. But it's not bad. But I do think, like I said, you need to tuck in your top with a skirt like this. What's a skirt like me doing in a place like this? A place like me doing in a skirt like this? You get it. It's not bad. I just don't think I would ever wear it without, you know, I don't know. It's not bad. I'm surprised. Are you? A little bit, probably. I'm surprised. Anyway, the shirt's not bad either. Oh, hi. I made it. Everything's fine. I'm trying to get a longer view per, you know, request. Anyway, it's not bad. It's not bad. I don't mind the shirt really either. I don't have any off-shoulder shirts. Say that 5 times fast. But maybe I could. Maybe I could. Okay, let's do more. Okay, I really like this outfit. I really like this orange. I really like these jeans, which sucks because I know they're gonna be expensive. But I really like these jeans. I think they fit really well. And they say they're skinny jean. They're not like skin tight to your ankles. So I think it's a really good compromise. I like them. I like the frayed ends. I like it. Ooh! Okay, yeah, okay. As I move, that's coming apart there. But I could just put like a little stitch somewhere inconspicuous if I really wanted to, but I don't think it's that bad. Sorry, as I'm moving and shaking. No, I think it's cute. Oh, I really like this orange color. I think it's really nice. Yeah, I know, you guys are gonna be like, you were dancing in that outfit. You should get it. I know, but it's probably expensive. But at the very least, this top is a winner so far. I really like it. Okay, let's do more. Oh, we only have one more. We only have the dress. Okay, this is cute. And it has like elastic right here, so it already does like a little tuck kind of thing, you know? Yeah. I don't think it would come apart. I think it's fine. This is cute. I'm getting together with my girls tomorrow. Maybe I'll wear this. It's cute. Cute. Okay, let's do the dress. I'm like all flabbergasted. This is a sweet little dress. I feel like it's kind of like a nightgown. I don't know. Sometimes when things are cut a certain way and they have like a little frill, I just feel like it's kind of like a nightgown on me. But other people, it might be really cute. The modesty snap is doing its thing. It's modesting. There is like rouging through here, stretchy, so that's nice. Here's the back. I think the little frill is cute, but yeah, I think it's just not for me. If you want to see up close, see when I'm far away, you can't see. can't see up close. But I think this is just not for me. So let's see how much those two things are that I just tried on, and we'll see how much my heart's gonna break. Prices. I don't know why I crack myself up with that every time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and tell your friends and stuff. I'm trying not to look at the prices because I'm gonna be so sad. Okay, I have $21.20 invested in this box already, so we have to keep that in mind. That's how much it is for a box. Here we go. The floral roll tab knit blouse in orange, $58. I'm okay. The Just for Luck necklace in horseshoe / silver by Brian Anthony's. I have bought a few things from Brian Anthony's before as I move the camera, and I have liked them. $44. The flutter sleeve, I'm trying not to scroll down, oh my God. Okay, the flutter sleeve dress in ivory red ditzy by Jilly, $68. The Evil Eye tote in ivory by Elegant Essence, $36 for that cute canvas tote. It was very heavy duty. The high-rise skinny jeans in medium blue, size 16 by Bayas, B-A-Y-E-A-S, $89. I just can't right now, but I'm going to keep that brand and that fit in mind, and I'm gonna see if I can find it on like ThredUp or Poshmark or anything like that. Because let me say, I'm gonna say this in when I film that video too, but thank you guys for using my ThredUp link, because that gives me credit and I can do a new ThredUp video because I just ordered like 11 things in a ThredUp haul. So that's probably gonna that video will come out maybe like a month. But yeah, thank you so much. So yeah, I might search for that brand on ThredUp because the material is really soft too. Same thing with the midi skirt, the denim midi skirt in indigo by Silver Jean Co., $68. The jean material, very soft. I don't know where Silver Jean Co.'s from. Is that from Maurice's? I know they have like a Silver Jeans line, I think, or they sell it there. And then the one shoulder slub tee in hunter green, size large by 78 and Sunny. This is 78 and Sunny, $49. So, as it is, and it's just not, I can't invest that much in jeans right now. I'm talking myself down because it's like May as you're gonna see this, and it's just gonna get hotter and hotter where I am. So I'm not gonna be wearing jeans that much until probably like September. So I'm just not gonna invest in them right now, but I really liked them. And then I think I'm gonna do the orange top. That's cute. So 58 minus 20 is 38 minus another $1 is 37. So $37 plus tax I will be paying on this. So I really like it. I think you can wear it outside work, you can wear it to work, you can wear it to bed, you can do whatever you want. So anyway, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, comment in orange for that orange top that I'm gonna keep. I'm very excited. Thank you for listening to the lovely sounds of the hammering. That sounds wrong. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.